Right, ready? We're just gonna go for it. So
Go on, then.
I'll come straight in. Yeah, yeah.
Got it.
I heard there was a secret chord that David played and it pleased the Lord. But you don't really care for music, do ya? Goes like this: the fourth, the fifth, the minor fall and the major lift. The baffled king composing hallelujah, 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 hallelujah. This is you. Hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.